Okay, so this is what I ended up picking up for my dolls from Dollar Tree this time. I found this cute little sewing machine. I think it's supposed to work. It's supposed to do something. I'm not sure. Very cute. I found this mermaid towel, which I think will be perfect on her over here. It says it's for little kids, but like I don't know which little kid is gonna fit in this if my dolls can barely fit in it, you know? I got this miniature guitar. Oh my gosh, yes. That is the perfect size for you. And then I got them another poster to go on their wall. I'm thinking right over here above their little shelf. Not a bad little haul. I mean, everything was $1, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. $4 and some change for some doll stuff. Okay, so this is how I ended up setting up my doll room after I put my new stuff in. So, yeah, Shiro, she's wearing the headset. She's pushing this little wheelchair with a Clefairy in it. We have Guna playing guitar in her schoolgirl outfit. And then over here, I think I decided to name her Hina. I need to fix your hair, Hina. She is a mermaid now. So I took that little outfit and I just sewed the back up together to make it a tail that fits her. It looks like because of the length and how skinny it gets at the bottom, she's going to be the only one who can wear it, but that's okay. Their little sewing machine. And I just put up that new poster for them. Super cute. Some really great finds. And for only a couple dollars, hey, definitely beats doll prices online sometimes.